But what happens when you want to upgrade from one version of your application to another version of your application? We created another object on top of that called a deployment. And so what a deployment does is it manages a set of replica sets. So each replica set represents a version. It manages multiple versions. And it can actually bring up the new version and the old version and actually adjust how many of each you have to be able to actually do an update to a distributed application. And so this is a great example of how we're actually building on top of these different concepts. So each of these things is useful in and of itself, and they layer on top of each other. So if you think that something about the way that deployment works doesn't work for you, then you can actually go ahead, and I'll talk about the mechanisms for doing so, and actually create your own version of deployment that does things exactly the way that you want to do it. And you can, along the way, reuse pods and reuse replica sets to do so.